That night felt heavier than usual, and his heart felt even heavier. He sat quietly by the roadside, believing he meant nothing in this fast-moving world. Cars rushed past him as if he didn't even exist, and people walked by without ever stopping for anyone anymore. Nearby, an old man stood struggling to cross the busy road. Asen noticed him, but looked away, unsure whether he should step forward or remain silent. Then suddenly, a verse echoed softly inside his heart. Whoever does even an atom's weight of good will surely see its reward. The words didn't just pass through his mind, they settled deep inside his soul. Something shifted within him. The fear faded, the hesitation disappeared, and this time he stood up bravely. Without overthinking it, he ran toward the old man and gently held his trembling hand. Traffic slowed down, almost as if the world itself paused to respect kindness. Step by step, they crossed the road safely together. When they reached the other side, the old man smiled warmly and raised his hands in prayer. And in that quiet moment, Asen felt lighter than he had in years. The next morning arrived with a soft, golden sunrise and a strange sense of hope. Asen prepared nervously for an important job interview. His heart pounded loudly as he waited outside the office door, wondering if this day would change anything. Then the door opened. He stepped inside and suddenly froze. Sitting behind the desk was the same old man from the night before. Yesterday's small act of kindness had returned in a way he never expected. The old man looked at him and smiled gently. "Character," he said, "is stronger than any resume." With gratitude shining in his eyes, Asen received the job that day. But little did he know, this blessing was only the beginning of something much bigger. From that day forward, he made a simple promise to himself, to perform at least one good deed every single day. Sometimes he fed someone who had nothing to eat. Sometimes he quietly paid a student's school fees without revealing his name. And sometimes he simply offered a warm, sincere smile to someone who needed it most. Small actions, repeated daily, slowly transforming not only others, but himself. Years passed gently, like seasons changing without making a sound. He grew successful, respected, admired, but deep inside, his heart remained humble. He finally understood something powerful. Real success is not measured by wealth, status, or applause. True success is winning hearts and earning unseen rewards. Because God sees every action, no matter how small, no matter how hidden. One simple act of kindness can quietly shift the direction of your entire destiny. So decide today, right now, take the first step and promise yourself to do at least one good deed daily. Because sometimes the smallest good deed can change everything.